Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I make this easy, quick pizza. First step you do is you get a burrito soft shell. You need a grater, and you need some cheese. And we're going to grate this up real quick. Cheese grated on there. You want to kind of spread this out. And I know there ain't no sauce on because this ain't going to be the top. This is going to be you'll see. Let me put this out some. Okay. And you want to take this and put this over the top of it. Okay, yeah, now you're getting the idea. Okay, what you're going to do, you're going to take a little bit of tomato sauce, any of your kind of, whatever you choose, any brand you choose. You don't have to be a pizza sauce, it can be any kind of sauce you really want. On cheese. Put that on. Real thick like. Do if you don't eat it all, take some pepperoni and spread it all over the paper. All over the pizza. That's already looking like a good pizza. Pizzas before they go into the oven. Alright, we're going to set them in the oven before we... Alright, that's what it looks like when you cook your pizza and when it's done. Anyways, I'm going to do a taste test and show you what it looks like. Anyways, let's grab it right here. Grab it with both hands. Good. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And do hit that, if you subscribe, hit that bell so you get all the notifications. Anyways, y'all have a great day.